Hi, my name's Dylan Kramer, President and CEO of America's Mortgage Choice. We have so many options in the mortgage business. The fact of the matter is we can't work with people who don't understand the credit space. And here at the Credit Bootcamp, we were able to find and network with tons of professionals who really understand the credit space and how important it is to actually get credit solutions that get people the opportunity to get into houses. You need to attend the next bootcamp in order to make sure that you understand how to develop relationships that effectively do business and generate solutions for your partners.